Doing the math on Google and Facebook ads. Does it add up? We get an update on social media with our resident social media expert, Danielle Miller, who comes on today to talk about return on ad spend, how much to pay per click, and developing audiences. Also, what are keywords? How do you find them? And why do you need them? But first, we give shout outs to some of our first patrons of the show. Thank a local powder coater for my Mother's Day gift. And finally, the Coder Biz giveaway is back. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.